Add a pop of color to your kitchen with Peel and Stick Backsplash. Before you begin, open your Peel and Stick Backsplash and carefully read the detailed installation instructions. Once this is done, unbox the backsplash and roll out the panels on a flat surface. Verify the amount of the backsplash panels and double-check if there aren't any issues with the quality or pattern match prior to installation. You'll need a ruler or straight edge, measuring tape, craft knife, microfiber cloth, pencil, and a soft sponge. Remove any clutter from the surface to ease the installation process. Ensure that no dust or other stains have settled and wipe the wall surface with a soft sponge and cleaner that does not contain alcohol or acids. If there are power sockets of light switches on the wall, switch off the power in the fuse box before uninstalling them. Measure the wall's height and width. If the backsplash is installed across multiple surfaces, then sequentially measure each one. Lay the backsplash on an even surface with the design facing upwards and allow it to stretch. Verify the direction and positioning of the backsplash panel to ensure that the pattern matches correctly and aligns from the bottom. Tip: place the backsplash panel on a cutting board or mat to ensure safety when using a knife. Mark the backsplash dimensions with a pencil. Cut it accordingly before beginning the installation. Tip: for a clean cut, use a sharp craft knife along with a ruler or straight edge when cutting the backsplash. If the surface contains a power or light switch, measure the exact location. Mark the required dimensions onto the panel and cut an X-shaped section, ensuring the switch dimensions are included. Peel back about 5 to 8 inches of backing paper for an easier start. Set the panel on the starting point. Make sure the backsplash fits precisely to the required location. Smooth the panel with a soft microfiber cloth. Continue application by gently applying backsplash inch by inch. Continue forward with the installation process and make sure the pattern matches side by side. Have patience and don't rush the process. Keep in mind, avoid pressing out tile grout areas as it may cause the panel to adhere to the grouts and appear uneven once installed. If necessary, gently pull off and reposition or smooth out bubbles with a soft cloth by pressing them out from the middle to the sides. Once the whole wall is complete, go over all panels, seams, and corners once more to ensure a good adhesion. Find the marked area for the power socket and cut accordingly around the socket area. Install sockets and light switches back on. Clean surface if necessary and remove guiding lines. Decorate the kitchen with matching accessories. Keep in mind that the backsplash is water resistant. For cleaning, use only a soft cloth. Avoid using any cleaner with alcohol or acids. And voila! The wall is complete.